Good morning, welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. My name is Joseph and today I'm here with Dion. And so we're going to watch a clip by Steve from Crypto Crew University, and he is talking about this bear flag and what it possibly can hold in for us in this coming week. It doesn't look like Bitcoin is making a spike to the upside. Bitcoin is kind of the sideways, and so now people are kind of fearful what is happening with Bitcoin. So before we get into the video, Dion, if you can maybe just explain to us quickly, what is this bear flag that Steve from Crypto Crew is talking about?
Morning, guys. So this is a typical bear flag. So to be technically correct, it must touch the bottom and the top a few times like it has done here, and it must do like a parallel channel, which it has done. It has this sudden drop down, which is like the flagpole, and it must be in an upwards trajectory, and that's like the perfect technical for a bear flag. And then the target for that would be the length of this flagpole from the breakout. So if we look at the target here, so the technical target would be $8,000, so that's where they're getting their numbers from, but obviously not taking into consideration all the support that would be below here. But technically this is what it is, Joseph.
Yeah, so something that I'm hoping for is that this is just a false breakout, and that we will see a recovery within this next week. I know with all the merging that's happening on Ethereum, September traditionally is usually a very good month. So that's why I'm not sure what's going to happen. We are here in South Africa and we got spring season right now. So everybody is thinking positive and things is going to go up. So let's dive into this video of Steve and hear what he has to say.
You can see this pattern that we're in. This is a bear flag, and you remember on our channel, we cover the largest moves in crypto. What we covered is at 48K, Bitcoin was going to have a mega crash. And if you remember from 48K up here, we called for a mega crash and we went all the way down to 17,500. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already so you don't miss these major moves. But bear flags are nothing to play with. What you want to see in a bear flag is a channel that's rising on the top that's acting as resistance, and a channel that's rising on the bottom that's acting as support. You want these lines to be relatively parallel, and you want to bounce from the bottom up to the top, from the bottom to the top. You want to have multiple touch points on the bottom and the top for it to be a true and accurate bear flag. Now what you want to look for is a breakthrough candle. What we're doing is we're covering it on the weekly chart because it cleans it up and makes it very simple so you can follow these simple rules. When you have a breakthrough candle, which was this candle right here, what you want to see right after that is a confirmation candle. So the breakthrough candle is the first candle that actually disobeys this support. This is supposed to be our support, and this broke through support. You may say, well, how about these wicks? Wicks are irrelevant. You want to see the body break through. Anytime you see a body close below this level, that's our breakthrough candle. What you want to see directly after that is a confirmation candle. Okay? As a trader, you don't want to trade based off emotion. You want more certainty. You want a higher probability of success, and that's what you wait for is a confirmation candle. It confirms that that previous candle that broke through is legit. And that's what we had here, and that's when you started to see the downfall. Now, you'd never want to trade inside of a pattern. That's when you're going to get caught with your pants down. You want to look for a confirmation, both on the up and the down side, right? Here we are in our next bear flag, right? We were going from the bottom back to the top, back to the bottom, back to the top, back to the bottom. Multiple touch points on the top and the bottom. We have parallel lines. There's a rising channel. We have all of the signs in the making for a bear flag. Now we've got this breakthrough candle. Again, what is a breakthrough candle? It's not with wicks, it's with a body. The body broke through. This is our breakthrough candle. And this is our confirmation candle. It hasn't printed yet. It will print when you wake up on Monday morning, it will have printed. And on Monday morning, you're going to need to watch this. Monday is going to be so important. You're going to need to watch this video. You're going to need to identify where did we close And then I'm going to tell you what to do. I'm going to tell you what to do. If we closed below this level here, I'm going to tell you what you should be doing right now. And if you wake up on Monday and we closed above this level, I'm going to tell you what you should do then as well. Let's break down each pound for pound. Let's hypothetically say it's Monday and you're looking at this video again to watch it like a hawk to make sure you know precisely what to do. And we closed above this yellow line, which on Monday, it would be at about 21.8K. If we close with our body above 21.8K on Monday, we're okay. We're not completely in the dark. It's not a bloodbath. It could be a false signal. There could be other variables we need to look at. But the short story is we should be okay. If we close above 21.8K on Monday, let's say we close at 22K. Okay, that means we have a body that's trying to break above here, and that next candle is going to be a telltale sign because this could be a fake out signal to the downside. This is our confirmation candle. If our confirmation candle closes above here, it tells us with more certainty that this could be a fake out. And this happens all the time in bear flags. Bear flags will have a fake out break to the upside. People get excited, but it's a fake out. And then it breaks back down into the candle. And then we have our candle that closes outside and then a true confirmation. Then we could be falling down. This happens all the time. So that's why as a disciplined trader, you're going to start looking for confirmations instead of this first candle that comes out. Oh my God, this is it. You want that confirmation. You want to be more disciplined. You want to have more money. You want to see your portfolio grow. These are the rules you've got to follow. So here we are, and let's hypothetically say it's the ugly part. Let's hypothetically say it's Monday, it's potentially Monday, Tuesday-ish, and you're watching this again, and you're thinking, oh boy, let me look back at that candle. Where did we print at 12 UTC time on Sunday? And it's below this yellow line. This yellow line again, it's at 21.8K. The body closes below here. This is our confirmation candle. What does that tell us? It means that we had our breakthrough candle and our confirmation candle, and we could be heading down, not by a little bit, but by a lot, okay? And you may say, well, Steve, I thought you said that the bottom is in. Which is this more powerful than that? Where do you stand now? I'm gonna get to that discussion at the end of the video. If we have this breakout candle, which was here, a breakdown candle, and then a confirmation candle that closes below this level, I'm going to give my stance on the market and what I think in a moment. But let me explain this. In order for us to close below here with the body that's telling us that we had this bear flag, we were in it, we broke down, and then we confirmed it. That's precisely what this was here, okay? So we could be in some trouble, right? We could come down to, hopefully a double bottom, but we could blast through that. And that would make the herd correct. Back here, 17.5, we believed was the bottom. Not according to some fictitious theory. It was just based on the facts and the charts that we had reached a bottom. Now, breaking below this could throw that out the window. When we were here, 80% of people said the bottom was not in. And that's a telltale sign that we look for the bottom to be in, along with a lot of other charts that dictated the bottom was in. Now, everyone at this time was saying 10K. It's going to go below 10K. It's going to go below 10K. I'll be shocked if we go below 10K. That's on record. Okay, I will be shocked. I still believe that the bottom is in. If we close below here, we've got to evaluate a few other charts because there's a chart that we showed you earlier with the bearish engulfing candle that we just had. We could be coming down to some sort of a double bottom. We could even go to 13.7, which we've talked about pretty much all year as being a potential opportunity. But when we got here to the market bottom, there was so many charts that were telling us the bottom is in. So this could still be a fake out. Again, it's still not Monday. It's not Monday right now. All right. And this candle needs to close. There's still a lot that needs to happen. And there's a lot of other charts we need to evaluate. We can't base everything off of one chart. There's like 9 charts that said that the bottom was in. We didn't base it off of one chart or 2 charts. It was like 9 charts. So if there's one chart that's saying like, hey, this bear flag is going to break to the downside, that's cool. But we need 3, 4 other charts that are saying we are also in trouble. A breach of a major level, a major cross, major market structure broken. We need other facts to come in for us to really determine where we're going in price and why. But it's too early to tell. Monday's going to be a big deal. Further updates coming. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.
Okay, that was that clip from Steve. It's really interesting how he analyzes the market. He's got a very long-term view. Dion, what do you think?
Yeah, looking at that, I kind of agree with him. And just getting back to what you were saying just now about being positive and this merge that's coming up. I've been studying this course. You can see all the stuff behind me here. It's a Forex course, and it's basically just to trade around what the banks and the big market movers are doing, and looking at what's coming in the market now, besides the macros of the US dollar and things like that, but just in the crypto space, they know that everyone is very positive and everyone is expecting this massive market pump with the Ethereum merge. So they know everyone wants to go long, and they would then do this with the market to try and get everyone to reverse that opinion and go short and open shorts instead of long, so that they can then quickly go down, wick down, take everybody's money, and then they take it up in the direction where it was actually planned to go. So you could be very, very right that this is just a fake out, just to entice people to short. And as soon as there are enough shorts in the market, they'll quickly go down and collect all those shorts before taking the market back up. So I think you could be very, very right there.
Yeah, there's a tremendous amount of market manipulation in, especially in Bitcoin. I think it was 13 days ago that Facebook has adopted Ethereum also as one of the technologies that they invest in and they're building on. So I think when a big company like Facebook adopts Ethereum, that is really a positive sign for movement to the upside. Now I believe Ethereum will have a pump up and then probably come down and lose a lot of that pump. But then over the next 6 months, Ethereum should steadily but slowly keep on crawling to the upside. And so I'm hoping to buy, I bought my Ethereum in the 1.5 level, and I'm hoping to see a 2.5 Ethereum. So that's kind of my goal. Alright guys, thank you. We're going to be back here tomorrow again with Dion, and we're going to talk about the price of Bitcoin. Hopefully we'll see some kind of action and breakout. Please check our previous video. Dion gives us an excellent trading signal on the BAT token, and he believes there's at least 20% profit in there, possibly 38 or even 75% profit depending where the market hits. So guys, thank you. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you, Dion.
Great, cheers guys.